Hey guys, we're in Piliyandala to check out a 4-bedroom brand new house for sale. Roller gate with parking for 2. Let's go inside. Living area opening to the garden. L-shaped garden space. Have a look. One of the bedrooms on the ground floor. This is the second bedroom on the ground floor. Let's go upstairs. This is the top floor, and we have a lobby with glass windows around, an internal balcony inside the house. Rectangular master bedroom 1 with the attached washroom. The washroom space, it is very squarish. The second master bedroom with the attached washroom. The washroom is longer, fairly large balcony space overlooking the garage. The rooftop area.